Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. In this quick video, I am going to share very useful information with you. I received many messages that I am not uploading the videos, and also the thing is, I was working on a platform where I can help you in much better way and very effective way. So what I did, I prepared this platform where I put everything like you will have the content related to the concept, so you will have the questions, you will have the answers and the explanation, and also you can test your knowledge through the quizzes. So it will help you to learn and test at the same time. Even if you are not aware about anything, let me share with you what you will get it once you will have access to this link, that techyoutube.com. so I'll share this link in the description box as well. So just go through that one. Once you will come, you will reach on this page. Here you will see what I have prepared for you. So here you will see all the latest post which I created. It is related to the concept basis, based on the interview questions, based on the scenario based solution. Everything I put on a single page itself. So you can go through this one. You have the options to choose for the skills you are preparing through the categories, and after that you can see these links. Right here you have the quizzes. You, if you want to test your knowledge on Kubernetes, you can choose this option, and once you will click on this one, you will reach on this page. So here you will see the quizzes which is related to Kubernetes. Here right now there are two quizzes for Kubernetes. If you will click on quiz itself, then you will get all the quizzes related to across technologies like GCP. You are having for Azure, you are having for AWS, you are having for DevOps, you are having for Kubernetes, and I am preparing more quizzes for you so you can learn and test your knowledge. So how it will work? Once you will for example, if you want to test your DevOps tools knowledge, you just need to click, and once you will reach on the page, you will be asked to start your quiz. Once you will start your quiz, you can see here, right, you can see the questions and the options. Here you have the, see here you are having 15 questions. So you randomly, if you go through the questions, okay, if you want to test it, okay. Right now I'm just going to show you after submitting how it will look like. Okay, I just randomly choose. I don't know what I choose, correct or not correct. So how this quizzes will help you, that's you need to understand. So it will show you how many correct you did it. Okay, next thing, it will show you, you choose this option, that is not correct, and this is the correct answer, why this is correct, and you will have the explanation about each question here itself. So you can learn and test at the same time. So within 5 to 10 minutes you can complete your quiz. You can learn effectively. If you want to learn theoretically like concept based, then you can use these posts also. And I have prepared some guides. Most of the candidate asked me to share the PPT or PDF what I prepared for the preparation, right? So what I did, I prepared a guide for that one, so you can have the access for that though. So for example, if you want to learn Kubernetes, you just need to go through this page. Here you will see the Kubernetes guide will be open for you. So here you can see it is loading. Once it will load, it's like a PDF file. You can have the access to that file. You can learn it from here as well. So this is the full document which I prepared for myself, so that I'm sharing with you. You can zoom in, zoom out for this document. It's based on your comfort level. Similarly, I prepare videos for Udemy courses, so it's a really tough to prepare videos and share again and again, because these comes for very limited time, and after some time the coupon gets expired, right, or the slots get full. So what you need to do, you just need to follow this page. Once you will come here, you just need to click on Udemy free coupons. You will come to this page, and here you will get it. Right now I just prepared these 3 courses. Okay, so once you will click on this one, you will reach on that page where you will have the course detail which one you are getting. Here is the link of the course. Here you are having the coupon code. You just need to apply. And if you want to connect with me for quick updates whenever I generate the coupons or share with you, you can connect with me on any of the Telegram channel. Here it is mentioned the links. You can connect with me on my YouTube channel, where you will get the useful information that can help you to learn and boost your career. And you can connect with me on Telegram as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. There are so many things in this particular. Here we are having the roadmaps. Here you are having the categorized, means skill based content. So you can get it, you can sort it out. Here it's up to you how you want to sort it out, want to learn. Okay, so see you in next video for more learning resources. Till then, bye bye.